Hey Sarah, why are you limping?
Oh, hi Matt. I went snowboarding yesterday and my whole body aches.
Was it your first time?
Yeah, and I never want to go again.
I remember the first time I went. My back was sore. I couldn't sit down because it hurt me butt and my legs would cramp if I walked too fast.
That's exactly how I feel now.
It's only like that the first couple of times.
Huh? There won't be next time.
You gotta give it a chance. It's fun after a while.
I'll think about it after I start feeling better. Right now, I don't even want to hear the word snowboarding.